to Mr. Umayshi. He has come to see our training, and I also especially thanks our organizer and our chairman of this school, Mr. Abu Hadi, and I also honor my guardians. I hope after this training you can earn some money for you maintain your family and himself, because our country's hard work is hard. আমাদের দেশটা হচ্ছে দ্বিতীয় বিশ্বের একটা দেশ, poor country. I hope after this training you will running your this job, and our school is, we are very proud of these types of programs to held in our school. At last, I again thanks to the Reliance LNG power plant and organizer and authorized. I hope they will help us. We want to develop our students, especially because they does not know what to do. They are innocent person, come to school to learn something new. As a teacher, if we take care of them properly, they will be a Mr. Kubaisi and also an engineer and also a doctor. My dear participants, I hope you will always help us to give you children friends to school to take their education and others. Okay? Be happy in your life. Goodbye. Thank you.